Today we're diving into the vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and rich history of San Juan, Puerto Rico. From walking the cobblestone streets of Old San Juan and visiting the iconic forts to relaxing on pristine beaches and tasting authentic Puerto Rican cuisine, San Juan is the perfect getaway with so much to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your San Juan experiences in the comments below. So let's explore why this city should be on your travel list. Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. You know what we say, chase the deal and not the destination. We found an amazing flight offer to San Juan from our home airport in Raleigh, so we booked it. We also stayed in Hyatt House San Juan, which we highly recommend, on points. If you'd like to know how we stay at Hyatt House for free, please check out this video that I will link above explaining the Hyatt loyalty program. Hyatt House San Juan offers a comfortable, home-like experience with spacious suites featuring kitchenettes, making it perfect for both short and extended stays. Guests can start their day with a complimentary hot breakfast featuring a variety of fresh options to fuel up before exploring the city. The hotel also provides a free shuttle service to nearby attractions, making it convenient to get around San Juan without a car. As a Hyatt property, it participates in the World of Hyatt program, allowing guests to earn and redeem points during their stay, adding extra value for loyalty members. Located near the convention center and close to historic Old San Juan, Hyatt House provides a great balance of comfort, convenience, and perks. Just a note, if you are scheduling any type of tours in Old San Juan, the shuttle makes a few stops before going directly to Old San Juan, so give yourself about a 15-minute window from the time you get on the shuttle until you get off in Old San Juan.
Castillo San Cristobal is a massive 18th century fortress in Old San Juan. It was built by the Spanish to defend against the land attacks. It's the largest fortification of its kind in the Americas and offers visitors a glimpse into Puerto Rico's military history. With its winding tunnels, stunning views of the city, well-preserved architecture, it is a must-see for anyone interested in history and the panoramic landscapes.
Puerto Rico is known for its iguana, green iguana, which is a non-native but has become common, especially in coastal areas. Although iguanas aren't naturally from Puerto Rico, they've adapted well and can often be spotted lounging near rivers, beaches, and on fort walls. The diversity of lizards adds to the island's rich biodiversity, making it a fascinating destination for nature enthusiasts. I am not a fan, by the way. Okay, back to the fort. Castillo San Cristobal is a 5-level design. It's Puerto Rico's largest fortress, so check out the following items when you're here. Garritas, which are sentry boxes, secret tunnels, World War II modifications, and the Devil's Sentry Box legend. One of the garritas is known as La Garrita de Diablo, or the Devil's Sentry Box. It's shrouded in legend. Stories say soldiers mysteriously disappeared from this sentry post, giving it an eerie reputation among locals and visitors. World War II modifications. The military adapted parts of Castillo San Cristobal, adding bunkers and observation posts to monitor for German submarines. These modifications are still visible, giving the fortress a unique blend of colonial and modern military history. Secret tunnels. The fortress includes a network of underground tunnels used to transport supplies and soldiers, and even to stage surprise attacks or strategic retreats. Some of these tunnels are still accessible to visitors today. Castillo San Cristobal is 27 acres. It's even larger than the nearby Castillo San Felipe del Morro. After leaving San Cristobal, you can walk down the street. It takes about 15 minutes to get to El Morro. Along your walk, you will come across the Museum of San Juan. Be sure to stop in. San Juan is one of the oldest cities in the Americas. It was founded in 1521. That means centuries of history around every corner. You can feel it as you walk through Old San Juan, where the streets are paved with blue cobblestones and the architecture tells stories of the past.
Castillo San Felipe del Morro, commonly known as El Morro. It's a historic 16th century fortress that stands proudly at the entrance of San Juan Bay. It was built by the Spanish to protect Puerto Rico from sea invasions. The fort offers stunning views of the ocean and the city. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-visit destination for visitors, enthusiasts, and travelers exploring Old San Juan.
After soaking in the history, it's time to dive into the food scene. Puerto Rican cuisine is a blend of Spanish, African, and Taino influences, giving it a unique, delicious flavor. One of the most popular dishes is mofongo, made from mashed plantains and often filled with shrimp, chicken, or pork. It's rich, flavorful, and truly unforgettable. And don't miss out on the fresh seafood. Being an island, San Juan has incredible options right by the ocean. Pair your meal with a pina colada, the famous tropical drink that was actually invented here in Puerto Rico. After touring Old Town, we decided to go to our next location, which was the Sonesta Resort, the Royal Sonesta Resort in San Juan. The reason we changed hotels is because we had earned a sign-up bonus, and this Royal Sonesta, we would get 2 nights free. When the sun goes down, San Juan does not slow down. Puerto Rico has a lively nightlife. In Puerto Rico, political parades, especially during election seasons or after significant political events, are vibrant, loud displays of party pride and community spirit. These parades often feature long lines of cars decorated with party flags, banners, and symbols, blaring music and political message through large speakers. Because we were staying on the 14th floor, we had a great view of this spectacle. It was really something to see, and we're so glad we were there to see it. Okay, back to our tour of the luxurious Royal Sonesta San Juan. This is a top spot for anybody looking to enjoy a beautiful seaside getaway in Puerto Rico. It's located on the Isla Verde. The resort combines relaxation, elegant amenities, and great rewards. Speaking of rewards, one of those as gold members was free continental buffet. Now in the States, on mainland, we see continental breakfast as maybe an English muffin, a cup of coffee, and some juice. The continental buffet in Puerto Rico is quite different. It includes sausages, cheeses, oatmeal. It's a very nice buffet. And as gold members with travel rewards in Sonesta, the card holder gets a free continental breakfast buffet. So one of us, Wayne, received that, and I had to pay for mine, but it was worth it because one of ours was free. Now the rooms and suites, some of them come with balconies. They all have plenty of space, very nice linens, refrigerator, very comfortable. The staff at the Royal Sonesta was unmatched. They were absolutely charming, so hospitable. They made our stay so special. Shout out to Hilton and William. When you check in, you will be given a silicone yellow bracelet, and that bracelet will get you into your room. It will allow you to charge things to your room, and it will also give you access to the pool bin, and you will digitally swipe your bracelet and take your pool towel out, and then you'll come back to the same place to return your towel. Now, what's a resort without some amazing pools and beach access? The Royal Sonesta features a lagoon-style pool that's lined with palm trees, giving it a tropical feel right in the heart of San Juan. You can relax in the sun, cool off with a dip, or head straight to the beach since it's only steps away from the pool deck. The beach is exclusive to hotel guests, so it's usually a bit quieter, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of Isla Verde's soft sands and clear waters. As gold members, you are also given a chair and an umbrella, free of charge. So there you have it, a quick tour of San Juan, Puerto Rico. This city is a mix of history, beautiful beaches, fantastic food, and an unforgettable cultural vibe. Whether you're here for a weekend or longer, San Juan has a little bit of everything. If you enjoyed this virtual trip to San Juan, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel videos. Drop a comment below if you've ever been to Puerto Rico or if it's on your bucket list. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the Points and Miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel